Amerika kumpirmadong tumulong sa depensa ng Israel, 80 attack drone at maraming mga missile ng Iran na patungong Israel ang kanilang winasak gamit ang F15E, Patriot missile system at isang destroyer. Ganyan kahalaga ang suporta at ang pakikipag-alyansa sa Amerika. Inasalamatan ni President Biden ang mga piloto ng F15E Strike Eagle sa kanilang ginawang matagumpay na pagdepensa sa bansang Israel.
Hey, you guys are the best in the whole damn world, man. Whole world. No, that's not hyperbole, man. Both these squadrons, you're incredible, absolutely incredible. You made an enormous difference, potentially saving a lot of lives, and thanks to extraordinary skill, the United States helped Israel take down nearly all those incoming missiles.
John Kirby bumilib sa military superiority na ipinakita ng Israel, France, United Kingdom at Amerika. Dating US Central Commander ibinunyag na ang ginawang pag-atake ng Iran ay isang malaking kabiguan dahil ipinakita lang nito ang kahinaan ng mga gamit na gawa ng Iran. Missiles at ilan lamang sa mga ito ang tumama sa open area ng Israel. Pinuri ng Israel ang pakikipagtulungan ng United Kingdom, France at Amerika upang tulungang depensahan ang kanilang bansa. Kinumpirma ng Amerika na sa pamamagitan ng US Central Command na 80 mga Iranian attack drone at 6 na ballistic missiles ay kanilang winasak, isang patunay na kapag nagsama-sama ang mga like-minded countries, walang magagawa ang kasamaan sa kabutihan. Kadamang rumesbak ang Israel sa mga proxy ng Iran sa Lebanon gamit ang kanilang F15E. Naglunsad ito ng pag-atake sa isang paggawaan ng mga armas sa Lebanon na ginagamit ng Hezbollah. Ito ang kauna-unahang counter-offensive ng Israel matapos ang maraming pag-atake ng Iran. White House National Security Council spokesperson John Kirby bumilib sa military superiority na ipinakita ng Israel at ng mga kaalyado nito. Muling pinatunayan ng Israel sa Iran at sa mga proxy nito sa Lebanon, Syria at Iraq ang lakas na meron sila.
Our thing stand this morning is just an incredible military achievement by Israel and, quite frankly, the United States and other partners that helped Israel defend itself against more than 300 drones and missiles. I mean, it's just an extraordinary example of military superiority that Israel demonstrated to the whole world last night. And I think Israel also demonstrated that it has friends, that it's not standing alone, that it's not isolated on the world stage. Now, whether and how the Israelis will respond, that's going to be up to them. We understand that and respect that. But the president's been very clear. We don't seek a war with Iran. We're not looking for escalation here. We will continue to help Israel defend itself.
Pinuri naman ni President Biden ang tulong na ibinigay ng US Forces, partikular na ng US Air Force Fighter Squadron sa mga nagsasabing mahina ang F-15E Strike Eagle. Ako, ito yung masasabi natin na old but gold. 70 hanggang 80 mga attack drone lang naman ng Iran ang winasak ng F-15E Strike Eagle mula sa 494th Fighter Squadron at 335th Fighter Squadron noong ika-13 ng Abril taong kasalukuyan. Ganito kabangis ang mga eroplanong mandirigma na gawa ng Amerika, subok at maaasahan pagdating sa tunay na digmaan. Hindi lang yan mga kabayan, ang mga missile system ng Amerika tulad ng Patriot Battery na nakadeploy sa Iraq ay pinabagsak naman ang mga ballistic missile ng Iran. Dagdag pa dito, ang isa namang barkong pandigma ng hukbong dagat ng Amerika, ang USS Carney, ay pinabagsak ang 6 na ballistic missile ng Iran. Ganito kahalaga ang high-tech advance at kalidad ng mga gamit pandigma. Hindi tulad ng isang bansa kung saan kaunting bangga lang ng barko ng Philippine Coast Guard sa barko ng China Coast Guard butas na agad.
Hey, you guys are the best in the whole damn world, man. The whole world. No, that's not hyperbole, man. Both these squadrons, you're incredible, absolutely incredible. You made an enormous difference, potentially saving a lot of lives, and thanks to extraordinary skill, the United States helped Israel take down nearly all those incoming missiles. You're remarkable. Huh?
Mr. President, we thank you for your words. This is Lieutenant Colonel Curtis Culver, 494th Fighter Squadron Commander, and we're mighty proud to have our part in that contribution, sir.
You're just incredible. I apologize for my enthusiasm. I'm supposed to be much more reserved.
Not at all, sir.
But I'm
proud to be an American.
Well, you make me proud, and I'm not just saying it. I swear to God, you're incredible.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Keep it going. Stay safe, man.
Ipinaliwanag naman ng dating US Central Command ang tunay na kahinaan ng Iran.
Given what you just saw play out in the last 24 hours, I wonder if you think that deterrence has been reestablished. And on the spectrum of options that Iran had before it, how big did it go last night?
Well, first of all, good to see you, Margaret. I think this was a big attack by Iran. I think this was as close to a maximum effort as they could generate, and I'll illustrate it in this way. Iran has over 3,000 missiles of various types scattered around the country. They have about 100, probably a little more than that, missiles largely in western Iran that can target Israel. Based on what the Israelis are saying, I believe they fired most of those weapons at Israel. The Israelis obviously were able to intercept most of them. Iran could not replicate last night's attack tonight if they had to. Now, they also use cruise missiles and they use drones to try to present a multi-dimensional problem to the Israelis. It was a maximum effort. Now, the Iranians are going to backtrack and talk about moderation. There was nothing moderate about this attack, and I think John Kirby nailed it precisely when he was talking to you earlier about the nature and scope of the Iranian attack. It was indiscriminate, and it was designed to cause casualties, so we should just consider that as we take a look at it. Now, has deterrence been reset? I think the Israelis performed magnificently with our assistance and the assistance of other nations in the region, including the United Kingdom. And so I think that now the Iranians have to sit back and consider what they considered their most important capability. Their ballistic missiles, their drones, and their cruise missiles have now been employed in a major combat test, and frankly, that test has failed. So I think Israel this morning is now much stronger than they were yesterday, and Iran is relatively weaker than it was yesterday.
Laban Pinas.